Hello class, watch this video to understand how to get summary statistics including the mean, standard deviation, median, and quartiles on your TI-84. The first step is to go to the Stat button, and we'll use this button a lot. Press Stat and then go to Edit. Here you can enter in a list of data. I've already entered the list, so you can scroll through and see the options. After you've entered your list of data, then click Stat again. Scroll over to Calc by using the arrow button and choose one var stats. Press Enter. Here there will be a line that shows up. It'll say one var stats and press second L1. This will choose your list of data. If you entered your list of data into a different list, say L2 or L3, then simply choose those lists instead of L1. So I've chosen my list L1, that is where my data is, and I'll press Enter. Now I have a mean, X bar, the sum of all of my observations. I have the sample standard deviation, the total number of observations in my list. This one is really helpful just in case you've entered in data and perhaps missed an observation, then you can check this versus your problem. If I scroll down using the arrow buttons, then I get a minimum value, the first quartile, my median, the third quartile, and a maximum value. This video is intended to show you how to calculate summary statistics for one variable. Hopefully it helped. Have a good day.